Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Howdy! So you want to know more about how to get rid of rain spiders? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to get rid of rain spiders is www.pestmall.com. Specifically the page titled How to Get Rid of Black Widow Spiders Pestmall blog. This is the link. You can also try www.thudblog.com, especially the page How to Get Rid of Spider Mites on Marijuana Plants. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see scienceblogs.com. The web page How to Get Rid of Spiders in Your House, Greg Layton's blog. This is the link.